vlog. Hi guys, my name is Jan and I'm usually vlogging in Slovenian, this time in English because I discovered a jewel. I'm in Croatia, in Biograd na Moru, on a glamping site which is quite new and unknown, and I want to present it to you because it's something, if you love glamping, you should know about it. It's a glamping site with 7 tents and a quite nice pool. You have a small bar and everything else you need, and it is a stress-free zone, a glamping as it should be. So after my magic intro, yeah, see you on the other side.
Are you listening? Crazy mother.
Maybe now it's time for a little bit of swim. Let's go. Okay, let's see the pool. The pool is also quite special because it has salty water. It's not normal salt water or seawater, but they did the setup of the pool, which is quite natural, without chlor and everything else. So yeah, I find it really nice. Okay guys, let's look one of the tents. There are 7 tents here, just 7 tents for approximately 5 persons, so the glamping site will accommodate about 35 persons. Okay, let's go look inside. Wow, okay. Here is a typical and quite great kitchen. You have everything: microwave, a sink, a cooking plate, of course a fridge. Everything you need. It's quite modest, but it's okay. And then you have a dining area if it's too hot outside, or yeah, if it's rainy or something. A TV set, of course, and the climate. You know, you need climate in tents because it can get quite hot, and there's a solution. Let's now proceed towards sleeping area. Okay, you have a master bedroom. It's nice, and then you have a bedroom for children. You can accommodate 3 of them. I don't know if you want 3 children, but if you have them, yeah, you need to put them somewhere. I'm quite awful about that. I have 3 children, so there's a nice shower, and of course my favorite item in every glamping tent. Yeah, I use it every morning, for your information. So that's the glamping tent in glamping site Grande Glamping Biograd na Moru. So I love it. Okay, we had a nice swim and the weather just became perfect. So I decided to go to city of Biograd and show a little bit of that city. I have to buy some groceries, and I'm going to shoot the way to the Biograd na Moru with my GoPro. So go with me. Okay, I'm now in the center of Biograd na Moru. It's like Biograd on the sea. Yeah, it took me about 5 minutes from our glamping site. It was like, yeah, 5 minutes with this e-skiro. It's like 5 minutes with bike. I would highly recommend to have a bike with you if you go to our glamping site, because then you have like 5 minutes to the nearest beach or 5 minutes to the city center. By walk, this is like more like 20 minutes. So, but on the other side, you have like you're alone in the middle of the woods, which is like perfect because at night there are no sounds. Yeah, this is Biograd na Moro. It's quite an average Croatian seaside city. Nothing special. There are a few restaurants on the river, but what's special about this city is that this is one of the best, if not the best point to discover islands across the city. You know, there's a Pashman Island, and after that you have Kornati Islands, which are a natural reserve and something most beautiful on the Adriatic Sea. All the stars and everybody who goes like yachting or something else goes there. So this is like 5 to 10 nautical miles away. It means with a rented boat you need about 20 minutes. If you go on a boat tour, you know, organized boat tour, you have like you go for a day. But yeah, I recommend that you rent a boat and go just there. Like you have like 20 minutes of driving, some of the best beaches on the Adriatic Sea, some of the most blue waters you ever seen in your life. So this was Biograd na Moro. Let's hit it back to our glamping site because it's so amazing. I just love it because it's not a perfect glamping site. It's a glamping site as it should be. There are no sounds, just birds, the wind, and you have your own pool and you don't have to do anything, you know, for the whole day. This is a real vacation. And even if you don't want to visit Biograd na Moro, you can visit Zadar, which is a really beautiful city, around 30 minutes of driving from our glamping site. Really nice city you should maybe visit during the stay in Granda Glamping. Okay folks, we are now leaving home. It was a really great glamping experience here at Granda Glamping. Great hosts, Ante, thank you very much. It was a really nice experience and we are leaving now towards Slovenia, towards Ljubljana. We have a 4-hour drive. So if you learned something, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So bye, see you later. We will have a lot of glamping this year. Bye.